Hello folks, this is Steve A-V-4-L. I've just been shopping at the big box store and I'm in the shopping plaza, and we know there are people that come in here as merchants. I think this one is interesting. So he's got up a couple of signs. He's showing something to do business from. He's not standing out there, and it's shaved ice. All your favorite flavors. Shaved ice. Shaved ice. I have to look up what that is. With all your favorite flavors. Sounds like something you could make at home if you had a semi-industrial freezer. What do you think? Have you seen that before? Just curious, being nosy, Steve A-V-4-L, saying see you in 73.